What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another live trading video. Today we have a couple of movers up. We're gonna see what kind of action they want to give out of the open. TCAT, man, I saw this one yesterday afternoon after the market closed. Man, this thing was just ramping up on no news, just halting and halting and halting. So I don't know what's up with this stock, but it's definitely super expensive now. So we will see what kind of action it will give on the day, but I don't think I'm going to be trading because it is way out of my price range. OCG is also up, so we got two dueling for the top here. The floats on OCG is between 7 million and 14 million. The floats on BHT, wow, it really faded down there. We'll see what kind of action that wants to give, but it's definitely got to shift that trend. But anyway, we got OCG still making moves above the VWAP, trending upward. Sino is going kind of flat right now on the 5-minute. But I'm just gonna have to see. I'm trying to break my red streak. That's what the whole purpose of today is, break the red streak, because I've had too many days red, and what I think I'm gonna have to do is go back to my original way of trading, which is enter and take when I'm green. Just take almost everything, probably 99% of my shares out. And that's how I really grew my account, just getting out quickly. Might have to go back to it, man. Might have to go back to it. We have about 4 minutes to the bell. Today is a break the red day, streak day. Also, let's look through the news. Of course, TCAT didn't have anything. Sino, launch of highly secure NFT exchange, Cyber Miles. Okay. OCG news. Outcrop announces OTC symbol change. Outcrop announces commencement of 12,000 meter phase 3 drill. Okay. BHT news, approximately 1.8 million new, or 1.8 in new food waste digester orders from Carnival Corporation, extending into new brands and geographies. So I really don't know, guys. Is any of that news interesting to you guys? Because nothing really sticks out to me. I don't know. Sino trying to make some moves up here. We're gonna see. I'm gonna let that first maybe 3 minutes play out. Definitely the first 1 minute. Two minutes left, and it is pushing down now. That was a big push down right there. About to get it in. About to get it in. Big push down on Sino. Nothing really is standing out right now. Nothing has really broke the mold of what is abnormal. Everything's pretty much around this 20-25 range. Of course, TCAT may be something different, but it's super expensive. These three I'll be watching: BHTG, OCG, and Sino for the first moves. We have about 30, little more than 30 seconds left until the open. Zoom back a little bit and see where the high is here. The high looking like this 11.75. All right, we are open right there. Let's go. Let's see what stays on the charts. BHTG still on the charts. Huh, way down there though. OCG popping up, popped up, and now looking like it wants to give a nice little red candle. Let's see what it wants to do here. Get rid of that news so we can actually trade. Is it gonna go down all the way? Oh yeah, it broke the bottom right there. Nice little bottom break. Okay. Anything else gonna pop back on the scanner? Because BHTG just dropped off. So waiting for them to come back to me. Let's go back to OCG in the meantime. OCG pulling down really big. What was that other big stock that was really expensive? TCAT. TCAT pulling back really big, halted going down. OCG did not halt going down, but it's definitely got that same pattern. Sino was the other one. Sino also had the same pattern, that two move drop. So we're gonna see who can come back up today, who can come back green today, because all of them are red across the board. Who's gonna be the one? Being very patient today. Again, I'm trying to break the streak of the red, so let's get it. Today will be a technical trade day because I didn't see any big news that I could jump in on. U1 popping up there. U1 very low float. What is the news, or is it just up? Urban One Q4 swings to earnings as revenue gains boosted political blah blah blah. Okay, so we'll watch it. Got this bottom down here. Definitely be watching it. Very volatile. Got to see a pullback. This one went crazy last year. It went way up there to 60 bucks last year. I'm looking for a pullback here. Okay. It's not the most volatile though. It's only up 20%. See where this pulls back to. Got a bottom right here, 698. Top of this high is a 730s. Take very small share size and let it ride. It is on the daily chart, it does have this 200 moving average resistance, so that's kind of bad. Getting back down there, breaking through that. We do Evolve, EVOL, popping up there, also low float. Evolve. What's the news on this kid? Did it just go into a halt? Possibly. It might have. It might be halted. Yep, halted right there. The news on it: Evolve rising after reports of profit, co-reports of profit, higher revenue Q4. Okay, so Evolve is now on the list. What was the other one I was just looking at? U1. U1 looking like it's forming a nice little top right, or a nice little pivot point right above this 9. The top here is the 711, which I'll be looking for an entry. 712. 712. I'll jump in with 5 shares there. Just small little bust right there. If it can get through, it is above the 9. It just needs to stay above this 9. You know what? I could do 10 shares. I don't want to just completely miss out because I'm trying to be green on the day. Do 10 shares there. Looking for it to stay above this this 9 here and go up and challenge that 200 moving average. Evolve is looking way better. Let's go check Evolve real quick. Not Evolve, DXF is also up. DXF is the next mover here. What's the news on it? No news. Okay. Well, I don't really do no news. Let me go back to U1. Did the dead cat bounce right there? 710, so 711 is where I'll be looking. 711, and yeah, I'm gonna do that 711 stab. Use this bottom here and look for a new bottom to form. It's still above the 9. Want to see it break above this last green candle, and I'll use this as my out right here, the low of the 690. Looking for it to get on up, get going. If it breaks this low here of the 686, I'm done with it. What does it want to do? It kind of snapped down right there. Okay. Will it hold up the 9? Okay. 711 is where I want to see it through. Getting heavy right there. Top side of this high is the $7. So, ooh, breaking down right there. I'll cancel that order. Go back out here to DXF, or that's no news. Evolve still halted. Let me go look at the halt news on that one on Evolve. Evolve has a halt, just volatility halt, halted at 934.25. So 939.25 is when it'll be opening up. We'll watch it. Keep it on watch. DXF still trading up. Moving just a few cents at a time. Let's see, the biggest move here was 78 up to the 90. So 20-cent moves. Has not pulled back yet. On the daily chart, it does have a resistance up here at the 222, which may be a real resistance up here. 222. Pushing up there to the 222. Will it get pushed down? Let's look on the level 2s here. Where are the sellers? Sellers at 230. Sellers jumping in there at 225, getting blasted through 228, getting up to that 230. Where will it find its head? Going up there on no news. Very volatile. Let me go actually research this before I try to do anything with it. DXF has a float of 6.74 million. DXF float of 2.36 million on Yahoo Finance. NEOS, you said NEOS, okay. DXF does not have any shelf registrations on DXF. All right, NEOS. Okay. What's the news on it? It's definitely a cheaper stock. What is the float on NEOS? NEOS has a float of 49.22. What's the market cap on it? Market cap. Okay. NEOS is looking good, but I usually like to see my price range above $2 for me to trade it, so I can actually, because right now it's moving cents at a time. DXF pushed up there, got a nice little pullback there. Will this be the new bottom? If so, 241. Let's jump in with a high breach here of the 243 area. 243 area. So I really am interested in. I'll jump with 30 shares and use this bottom as my out. Let's see what it wants to do here. Top side of this is the high of the 41, 42 area. 30 shares could be the go here. Will it break down to 9 though, is the question. Okay, 242 looking like it's coming back into play. I want to see it back into those 40s. I'll go ahead and, oh, no stops on this one. No stops. Okay. So let's get ready to enter. Hotkeys ready. Got in there. Be out at the bottom of this candle. In very small there. Looking for a push up here. There's a nice little push. I'm gonna make this a green day. Seriously. Alright, up 12 cents there. Challenging the 250. If it shows us any red, I'll be out. Alright, still in there. Still holding. Okay. Getting a nice little push up there. Nice. Any red, any red. I look for another trade if it goes red. Getting up there. Can we get a little bit more of a push? Back below the 50, I'm going to have to go ahead and call it. Getting a pop out there. Alright, cool. 27 cents in, I'm going to take here. Oh, did not let me out. Alright, there we go. I'm going to make today a green day no matter what. Looking kind of heavy there anyway. Looking like it's ramping down on that green volume. Let's see on the 70. 70, 75. Let's do another trade. Actually having to use my hotkeys today. 70s looking kind of heavy right there. May let it do a little pullback here. Back into the 71. Can we get a 71 break? 71. Good looking weak there. 71. Ooh, I did not take that one. Did not take it. Wow. Good little pop right there. I did not take that one though. Alright, 79. Looking like now it's looking heavy. What will it do? Is it ready to come down? 80s, 82. Looking strong there though. I don't know about this, man. Okay, it's definitely looking strong there. Over the 85, I may be looking to add. Okay. Did not allow. I gotta make sure I click this box over here. Kind of glad I didn't get in there though. Knew it was coming, didn't know when. Alright, so now it's a little bit extended. We'll look for another entry. I'm gonna make these days green days, man. I lost a little bit too much money. Got aggravated. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna need to start actually trading like I want to make money. OCG halted on OCG. Let me see when it halted. Halted at OCG halted. Let me refresh this page. OCG halted at 9:45.29. So we opening up around 9:50.29. Okay, let's continue looking around. DXF, we'll watch it. Evolve came out of the halt. Top up here is the 554, 550s, 551. Let's take 20 shares there. 551 break. Looking for it. See if it can flip. I use this as my out at the 529 there. Actually, no. The last low was the 480s. 480s. So I'm going to let a new low form. 480s right there. And I will be ready to sell 20 shares down there. Looking for a new low to form. It is above the 9. Looking for some continuation here. Let's see if it can get a nice pop up here. Back to the top. Okay, there's a new low. Here's the last low. Let's see what it wants to do here. Will it just fell out or no? Moving up to this low, 507 or the $5 mark. Let's get it. 507. Getting a little bought up there. Okay, getting a lot bought up. This is the new low for me. This 508 level. 508 is where I'll be moving my stop up to now. Okay, 508 level is a new out. If it can't push, hey, I'm done with it. Okay, pushing out there. Still holding at the 508. Looking for some push. If it can't give it to me, too bad. I'll be out. A little bit of push there. What are we gonna do here? 530s. Needs to stay above the 20s, really. Breaking the 20s, breaking down there. I'm about out. All right, out right there. Small share size. All right. Looking for it to push, man. It's breaking down there. It's definitely following the plan for a little bit there, but just could not hold up. So I went ahead and exited that. This one also has a top side of the 286. 286 there. Looking for a 297 break if it can do it here. Oh, what is this? This is a whole new stock. Hold up, before I just jump in, no news on the day. I was like, what is this? OCG DXF falling. Okay, TAC came back. Oh, it's super expensive. Gee whiz, TAC is super expensive. All right, what's the high of here? 5. Is it even worth it, man? It's not worth it. Let me not FOMO into that. Evolve, going down there, breaking down. That's what we didn't want to see. Getting a little consolidation there. All right, this one, 293, 295 break. Definitely above the 9. 294. Broke the last low, so I don't like that one anymore. Okay. OCG, is that one? That one should have been open by now, or did it halt again? 9:45:29. It should have been open. It must be doing a 10-minute halt. All right. Looking for some of these with volume to be moving. Okay, TCAT is just insane. If you got the money for it, that's definitely a stock that's moving. So I took a couple of trades today. One, I can't believe I lost 44 cents on that one. I guess because I set my stop loss so far away from it, I gave it too much room to run. Anyway, we still got money, so let's keep on looking. 852. All right. Everything looks to be fading right now. This one probably is in another halt. Who's going to be the winner on today? I would love to see OCG in. If it is a 10-minute halt, I mean not OCG in, OCG, 10-minute halt will be 9:55:29. So we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for this open. So let's see what it can do. TCAT is definitely the biggest mover, but not a lot of people have that capital. That's why you don't see that volume just shooting through the roof. Well, a lot of retail traders. There are some institutionals that are probably fighting right now, though. You guys seeing anything else other than these? Oh, Neos. Neos was one that you said. Neos. Neos did fade on down. Okay, 54. Got about a minute left. 55.29 is what we're looking for to open. Like we got hidden buyer or hidden sellers up there at the 20. Let me do this. 25. Let's see if we can get to 15. If I stick a buy order out there at the 15, I'm not going to do that. I want to see this thing open and give me some confirmation first. Alright, we have 29 seconds. If this is a 10-minute halt, it should be opening up on the 29. Okay, there we are. Up there to the 16. Okay, big topping tail. See if it gives us a little bit of red. Okay, going down a little bit, bouncing off. Let's see the 16.25. It just didn't hold it. 16.25 back on. Okay, here's the bounce down. The top of this high is a 16.88. 16.91. Let's take 10 shares. Whoa, that was big. Wait, not 16.91. What was the top of this? 16.50. What am I doing? 16.51. Top of this high is a 51. So I take 10 shares there. Looking for it to get on up there. I'll use this as my bottom, 15.49. I know it's very volatile. That's why I'm getting in very small. 15s. Okay. Not looking too nice. Okay, let's switch it up. Let's go for a 16 break. Well, it's already through the 16. Will it break the bottom here? I'll cancel if it breaks this bottom. Top side is a 16.13. Alright, canceled that order. Looking for the new bottom. Where is it? Snap through all the way down to the 15. Top side is a 16.13. 16.13. Now we'll size down just a bit since it is so volatile. Let's see what you can do. How far down are you gonna go? Okay, 16.13. Looking kind of heavy there. A couple seconds left. 15.44. I'll take a 16.13 stab. 5 shares. Use this as my low. 15.42. Double top there. I'm in there. Using this igniting candle, 15.39 is my out. 39 is my out on those shares. Looking for it to give a nice little pop up. Okay, up 30 cents. Okay, Getting on up there. Looking like it wants to go. We'll see. Using this candle as my out. Okay, new low here is the 1626. 1626. 1626. Looking for it to get some help into the 70s. Gonna move this up to the 1626 now. So either way it goes, it's a green trade. Looking for it to bounce out of there. I'll move it up to the 75. Ooh, come on now. Don't be doing that. 1650 is the next move point. $0.25. Let's see if it can push. It cannot. Ooh, getting heavy there. Okay. Got a little push back up to the 50s. Okay, got me out there for a, should have been a gain right there, I think. What? Slippage is a are you serious? 3 cents of slippage on OCG. Wow. That is some insane slippage, but I'll take 3 cents. Whatever, 3 cents of slippage. Actually, that was more than 3 cents. Now that I think about it, that was way more than 3 cents. But I am glad that I did get stopped out right there. Wow, let me see. I entered at 6.15. My stop was at 6.26. So that's almost 10 cents. That's a lot of slippage. That is a lot of slippage on a stop loss. Glad that I did set it in the green, because if I didn't, I would have been down 15 cents. Alright, anyway, let's go look at something else a little bit more interesting, if there is anything a little bit more interesting. Things are fading now. Insane move, man. Insane move. Getting down there to VWAP. Let's do a bounce off VWAP play. 1501. 1502. I'll do 10 shares there. Looking for the bounce off the VWAP for a backside play here. I'll use this bottom, this low of the 1433. 1433. I might have to just exit quickly though, the way this thing's moving. You know what? I'm gonna let a dead cat bounce. I'm not gonna do that. That was the dead cat bounce right there. It's just looking like it's struggling right there. I don't know if I want that. Okay, 1498, 1502 again. It's just looking weak right there, man. Looking real weak. I don't know if I want to jump in that one. Yeah. Alright, so the top side high is the 14.99. Now, if this one closes red, I will be willing to do it just for a quick shoot up. But it doesn't look like it's going to close red. It's got to close red here. Yeah, a little bit more time. A little bit more time. Okay. Did not close red. I just don't like that setup right there. I don't like it. And praise God that I didn't. Alright, so we got a top here of the 1503. 1503. But it is in this hard descending candle. TCAT still acting up. Evolve down. Well, OCG is the only one that wants to play ball. Alright, let's see. 1582. 1583. Wow, it immediately pulled back there. Top side of this high is the 1540s, 1541. All right, 1541. I'm looking for a break over that if it can do it. Looking weak there. Getting on down through there. Making new lows. Wow, wow, wow. Going on down, feeding the shorts. So I would like to see a break over the 1540. But it just looks weak right now. TCAT down. $904. Okay, break over that 1540 would be nice. Got a big red candle here though. Top side is a 1582 and it's struggling. Struggle. It is a higher low right there. So that's the dead cat bounce. Let's see, 1458. 1458. Let's try that. 1461. 1461 for an explosion. I'll be in there. Using this low as my bottom at 1408. 1408. Very volatile stock. Actually, now that I think about it, I probably need to use this as the bottom. 1435. Okay, I'm in there. Using the bottom here as my out. Was looking for a little bit of a push. See if it's real strength here. See if we can get back. If not, I'll be out quickly. Yep. Wow, 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 man. Trying to get that bounce off of the VWAP right there. Did not work out. 475, 1475. It's definitely going down. I'm not going to worry about it anymore. It's fading too much. DXF trying to make its way back up. Okay. Has a high of the 232. It did break the bottom there, so I don't like that. TCAT. Got this nice little trend line going down. We're going to try a 1476 break. 1476. Looking for it to break over this high, 1475. Break that thing. I'll use this as my low, 1407, and be moving up as it goes. 1407. Still looking weak. Struggling with that 9 EMA. That's the problem. I'm going to cancel that order and just wait. I don't want to get caught slipping. 1476. Yeah, I'm just going to wait on that. It's just not looking good. Okay, this one is getting on back up there. DXF. Don't know if it has enough to push through the VWAP, which is at the 240. Did not have any news on the day. It even looks weak there. What it's doing right there is just looking weak. We'll see though. Let it transition the trend. T-Cat still playing around. Just does not have the news to push through. OCG fading. JFIN. Why are you up? What's your news? No news on the day. What's your float? Let me go look that up. JFIN. JFIN. Float is 3.50. Okay. So top side here is the 801. Let's look for an 8 break. 801. Take 10 shares there. Come on now, get me in. All right, 801. Looking for that break over there. If it can hold up this last level of low, then we'll just use this 768 as an out. Very, very low volume, so I might need to take quickly here. See if it can hold up this low. Low of 768. See if we can get a bit of manipulation here for quick profits. Don't know. Okay. So we'll use this low of the 768. 768 to be out. Okay, I do not want that anymore. Messed up the dead cat bounce. It may go, but that's not my move. I want to see it go on that last one. That last candle. Alright, DXF. T-Cat getting back up. Everything else is looking sick. HOFV. Looking very choppy. Alright, did explode up there. I just didn't like this last setup of the 759 right there. But this is the last low that it had. So it went up to the 40s. Looking for that pullback. I just don't like the way it's moving. On the daily chart, let's see, daily chart, it's above all of its levels. 786. I guess that would have been a nice entry right there. Gotta stop second guessing myself. Hoff also pushing up. Looking a little dangerous right there. Anybody else playing with some volume? Wow, yep, that would have been a great entry right there. $8 break right there. Ah, boy. IPDN. Top side 430s. Let's do a 431. 431. 25 shares, 431. See if it can get. Actually, the top side is this guy. High 440s. 441. Did it have any news on the day? No news. Another no news stock. I really don't like buying no news stocks. And it's in a descending candle. so not a lot of volume behind it either. Okay, that one's finally heading down. This one's too extended to be buying this top. It's barely moving up there now. Gotta let it pull back. Come on and pull back. Very extended on the 5-minute as well. Okay. All right, this one's holding up a lot. It's been holding up for quite a while now. 890. Let's see if it gives us red or green. All right, so a break of this high of the 891. So gonna break down, broke down that level. Will it break down the 823? Looking for a breakdown of the 823. If not, I'll take it at the 884. Let's see, do any of these have like patterns that we can see? OCGN back on the board. All right. OCGN has this nice pattern down, so it had a trend line going down that is kind of breaking out of. All right. Has plenty of volume. Just got to get up and get away from this trend line. Getting some popping over here. Kind of flatlining. 430 would be the spot that I'll be watching. But it's got to get up, and it doesn't look like it can do it. OCGN falling back down towards the trend line. Alright. Looks like it's getting a little pulled back. Oh, that's T-Cat. T-Cat, man, throwing me for a loop. This one still has not started to get back up. OCGN. T-Cat. Who's going to be the one? JFN. Looking like it wants to get off of that VWAP, but I don't know. I don't know just yet. It's a long way away from the top of this this red bar of the 886. Break of this double top 35.49 would look good to me if it doesn't break that bottom right there that it's working on. Bottom here, low is a 33. 33 holding up right there. Just broke. Not gonna worry about that. JFIN. High of this candle is the 817. Breaking down VWAP right there. Going down and challenging this last low that it formed. Alright, still looking. This thing's struggling. Made a lower low here. This one bounced off this previous low. So if we can make a higher low now, I may be interested in it. It's getting plenty of volume now. People are looking at it. But I don't know if those people are shorts or longs or both. Looking out, I did take a couple trades today. This evolve really took more out of me than it should have. And this OCG, and I guess setting that, using the actual candlesticks is letting those volatile stocks run a little bit more against me than I would like. So I probably just have to use numerical values. What's the news on this one? No news on WNW, just popped up. Alright. See if T-Cat can start working its way out of there. How many shares can I get of T-Cat? Okay, I can go in with 5. I'm not gonna do too much. I don't want to get too crazy. The break of the 3553, 3554 level though is where I would like to see it go. 3554, 555. That's the top side of this candle here. 35, 48, 51, 51. Let's do that. Get in 5 shares up there on that breakout. And I cannot use stop orders. Okay. $35.50. Pulling back there. I may actually wait for a pullback to determine to get in here or not. Wait for a pullback. It's getting a little snappy. Where are you gonna pull back to? Big topping tail there though. How far are you gonna fall? Shorts pushing it on down. I don't like that. It's gonna take the wind out of the lungs for that candle. Have a lower low here, looking for a higher low to form. 730s. Come on. JFIN. Let's see if it can transition the trend back over the VWAP. 783. Did Neos ever come back up? Oh, let's just watch this one. So try to get across the 782. Let's see if it can hold up that 782 level. Looking for that pullback. Definitely broke the trend right there. We want to make sure it can stay away from that trend line. This is the trend line right here. I guess we can do it on this one. Right through there. Looking for a pullback here. It did, looks like it double topped there. High of 818, okay. 24, 25. Come on, give us that pullback. Oh yeah, John said nope, Neos faded. Okay, we're gonna look at JFIN and see what it wants to do. It's the biggest mover on the day now. So this is our pullback. Let's see if it can give us a proper pullback. If it continues to go, we'll just have to wait. Okay. My entry position is the high of the 830s. 830s. 831. And I'll take 30. This closes up red. That will be great. At about 10 seconds. $830 is what I'm looking for. Use this last low as an out. 791. Oh. 791. Looking for this thing to get up and get going. VWAP is a 785, which is probably where I should put this. Whoo! Come on now. Hold up. 785. Nice little top and tail there. Wow, man. Wow, wow, wow. Oh well. These pullbacks are killing me. Getting above the 9, holding the 9, and then coming back and flashing down. That's the repetition here. Still believe JFIN still is formed a higher low here. But I didn't want to put my stop out right here because that would be kind of crazy. Because that would be $40, $50 loss all the way down there. Giving a dead cat bounce right there. The high is the 807. I am looking for an entry still. Let's see. $300. Still looking for my entry here. Love to see it back over this 825, 826 level. 826 is where I would like to see it break. Yeah, 826 level. It's looking like the spot to beat. It's right across there, the break of this little high point. It tried it, pulled back. Double top there. Can it break that double top? Right on the $8. Let's see it push the 810. Now put my order in. It's not pushing the 810 just yet. Alright, 826, I'll be in there. And I'll use this as my out. 770. Looking for that $quarter break. 770 will be my out. Looking for that $quarter break. Alright. Giving a little pullback there. Looking for that 826. This is the new low. Low is a 790, so that'll be a new out. If it doesn't go right here, I'm going to cancel the order. Pulling back a lot. 10 seconds till I cancel the order. It's got to break that top, man. Okay, there we go. Alright, now 790 is my out. Okay, getting on up there. Top side up there is the 888. So we'll draw our resistance up there. Looking for a new bottom to form. Okay. Love for it to consolidate up here. Get past that 850. Okay, 851 challenging. Okay. Is this the new low? Okay, blasted through a little bit. So this low is the 840. 825 I'm gonna have to be looking to get out. That'll be a $2/4 breaks. I'm in at the 27. Let's see what it wants to do here. Okay, let's see. Where's the new bottom? I'm sitting down here at the 790s. If this is the new bottom, I will be moving it up here at the low of this 831. Okay. Couple of seconds left. Pushing up a little bit. This bottom, I'm gonna have to be out at the 831. That's where I'll put it at. It's a long wick to break down. Yeah, I'm gonna move it up to the 831 right there. That way, either way it goes, it's a winning trade, but it's got to stay above this level. Got to get that push. We're sitting a little bit below the 9. Looking for it to get up and get going. It can get some buyers through there. Get back across that 75. Challenge the 75 right there. Alright. Kind of long topping tail. Looking for it to get over this 669. Okay, getting up there. The 669 right there getting challenged. Alright, so my new low is going to have to be that 850. Looking like. Okay. Nice, nice. Barely green on the day right there. I'm going to let this one play. I'm going to leave this at the 831 and see if it can continue to push up to the 9s. And I'm going to start to peel off. So up 71 cents. I'm definitely going to start to peel off here. I don't want to lose everything. Okay. Like I said, I want this to be a green day, so got to be greedy with the market sometimes. 10 shares left that I'm letting play. This bottom low is the 850. I'll be out 10 shares. Take a little bit more there. In 5 shares left, up $1.03. Now get all out right there on that red. Okay, so yeah, man, I was thinking about the slippage while I was in there, but this is too much extension right here. That's why I went ahead and sold up here. That little bitty push out right there just wasn't good. But hey, green trade, finally green, man. Finally green. Waited all day for this. But I do know it was kind of getting kind of weak up here. So that's why I went ahead and jumped out. Now it's got to hold up this bottom of the 907. and I'm just not down for that. Saw it break out of this trend, stopped me out right here. I'm glad I didn't go in big right here, because I wouldn't have been able to do that second entry there. But that was a good little run up. Very good little run up right there. The top side of this is the 944. Don't think I'm gonna take it, because after this long run, usually they kind of snap down on me and I lose my money. So I'm going to just wait and be patient. DXF coming back up. Evolve. There it is. It cracked the bottom right there. Bottom of that 907. It cracked. That's what I don't like to see. DXF. Alright, this one looks like it wants to go. Doing a little dead cat bounce. Got up there and touched the top of the 945. Fading. And this is why I don't buy these tops, because it has to consolidate after this run. Has to. Now some of them, I mean, like when the COVID news was coming last year, there was no consolidation, no risk period. It was just running up $10, $15. It was just straight up. And that fall was massive. Each dip was probably like a $5 spread. Alright, so we're letting it just chop down, chop around, and kind of find where it wants to be for the remainder of the day. Evolve, JFIN. And the thing is, JFIN had no news, but it had volume. So even without news, if people are looking at it, I'm interested. But if it would have had like 3 million in the volume, I can't do that on no news. Wow. That was a nice trade. That was one that I really liked. And that's how I like my setup to work. Get this little pullback above the 9 EMA, buy that high, and ride it up. But I just got to be patient for that kind of setup. Alright, so now we're getting our dead cat bounce here at the 920. 921 is the next entry. Now we'll enter with just a little bit. 921. Ooh, come on now. Don't go yet. 926. Let's look at that 926 break, the break of the 925. I see a quick, oh, whoa, it went before I could even press the button. Okay. High here is the 39, so into the 40s. 41 break. Let's see if it can hold up the 9. If so, I will definitely be looking for an entry here for the break of this. Looks like a double top. High 44. Can it hold up this bottom is the question. It's got a nice consolidation above this level. High is the 41. 941. That thing really held up. Okay. 941. Let's see if you can get up there and get going. Ooh, not looking good right there. Alright. Cancel that order. Looking for DXF. Got about 15 minutes left on the stream. In 15 minutes, if I don't see anything, it'll just be a green day. Finally breaking the curse. Alright, so 604, 604, let's try that. 605 level. $605, very small share size. Looking for a little pop through, quick sale. Top side of this is the the high of the 603. It is breaking down the body, but it's still above the 9 EMA. I can actually take 10 share. Oh wow, that popped up quick. Okay, so I'll be out on the low of the 595. That popped up so quick I didn't even see it. I was gonna change to 10 shares, but okay, we'll take it. 5 shares, 595. Got my out ready to go. Looking for a little push up. I'll be moving it up to break even as soon as possible, which is a 606. Looking for it to get a little bit of help through the top. Wow, nice little snap down there. Glad I'm only in 5 shares. Looking, can it do it? All right, the 9. We're right at the 9 right now. Looking like it wants to slam down. If it gives me a little green, I'm going to get out. Give me a little green, I'll get out. This looks like the new low. Maybe, possibly. Can we get some buy up through the 605? All right, so this low is a 602. I'll be trying to get out at the $6. If it drops below the $6, I'll just have to get out. 605. Can we make it to my break even point? 606. That looks like a double top. That definitely looks like a double top. So I'll go ahead and cancel that. Get out at the 605 there. Can it break that double top? If not, I'll be out. It doesn't look like it will be able to. Low is a 607. Let's see you go, boy. Go. Alright, we'll change this to the 607 there. If it wants to snap down, it will be a green, or 607. It'll be kind of a green trade. Yeah. Out right there. Did not like that setup. Wanted it to just go. Don't like the way it's moving. I'd rather not risk everything since I'm green on the day. We have about a couple more minutes left in the day. Oh, JF. What? Look at this. What? Do a pullback. Do a pullback if you bad. Alright, so the high here is the 945. 945. I'll take a very... Oh my god. I was looking for that 945, but it already snapped. Okay, we'll just wait for the pullback then. 90 bucks. How much can I get for 90 bucks? Get 10, almost 10 shares. I'll get 8 shares just to be safe. Look for that pullback. That 950 break, 955, is not giving a pullback yet. 955 is looking like where I need to be in though. That's 61. I'll get in at the 61 if it can break. Now use this $8. Yeah. Let's see if it gives us green or red. This is the pullback. I'll cancel right there and wait for this pullback to play out. Don't want to get snatched in. Looking for this pullback. Can it hold up the body here of the 924? Barely held it up right there. Top side is the 56, 57 level. I'll be looking for those 8 shares. My last trade of the day. Looking for this thing to close up red though. If we can close up red, that'll look nice. Not closing up red. Trying to push up. Very weak little push out right there. Now going back down. I'm looking for the 57 entry. 15 seconds left. Come on. Go red. Do not. Come on, man. Go red. Give us some red. Okay, there's our down play. 59. All right, we'll be in right there. Use this as my low. Low is at 923. 923, I'm in there. I'll use this as my out. Looking for a little bit of a push up. Whoo! Immediately busted out of there. Still got a green day. Man, I am getting brave. But bravery sometimes equals stupidity. Alright, so JFIN looking weak now. It's all good. I just wanted a green day. Just a confidence boost. It's 10 minutes until 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock if you're on Eastern time. $9.63. But I got 13 bucks. Boy, I can get one share here. One share of a 63 break. Probably not worth it. Can it get back over the 9? If it can get over the 9, I'll be looking at this 941. But does not look like it has that in mind. What I'm going to be doing for a while is sizing down. Like you saw today, I wasn't popping in with 100 shares or whatever like that. I'm decreasing my risk and I'm compiling wins. So getting a lot of wins under my belt to get my account back up. Because it just doesn't make sense for me to be losing so much money on the bigger share sizes. West Coast here have to wake up at 6 a.m. Ooh, boy, tear just formed in my eye. Man, the market opens up here at 8:30. 8:30. I'm in Mississippi. Get a little pop right there. Wanted to see it get back through that 9 and challenge this high, but I don't think it has the juice. Man, you're on the other side of the country. Oh, God bless the internet and all the streams. Alright, so this one is looking like it's building up for something. Can I get a break of this high? 614, 615, but it's barely moving. It's fighting for a little change here. So I don't think I want to do that. Okay, this one's finally getting up at 942. Let's see if we can get a 942 play on that one share. On that one share. Let's see if it can give it to us. That break of this 1 minute high. Wow, wow, wow. Can we break this 1 minute high? Looking worse and worse as we go. How far is that pullback gonna be? Is it gonna break the 9? It did. I'll cancel that order. Starting to lose that trend. Man, DXF just has not stopped piling down. Where's Neos yet now? Neos. We were looking at it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I usually stick, my price range is usually in the $2 level, because under $2, man, they just move so weird. Like, you gotta buy 1,000 shares. You can buy 1,000 shares, but I mean, you increase your risk exponentially. Like, if you're buying one of these stocks that I traded today with 25 shares, on those wins that I got, look at this. On 5 cents, I got a dollar gain. 85 cents, 85 cents, 77. So, it's different. They just don't move that much. They're not giving 80-cent moves, a dollar moves. Unless they have the news. Like if they come out with a cure for cancer or something, then I would definitely trade $1 stocks. Alright, JFIN, why do you keep playing with me? Did I get in this? Did I not get in this? Oh man. Alright, 960. 961. Come on, man. No. Give me an entry or something. Give me a little bit of pullback. Give me a little bit of reprieve. Let's do a 70. May have to do a 71 buy, because it looks like it wants to go higher. 60s. If it pulls back a lot, then I'll go ahead and get in lower. Okay, I'm in there. Last low here is the 904. I'll let it play. It only has one share, so I mean, there's nothing else I can do here. So I put my stop at 904 down there and be waiting. Now it's just a waiting game. We're already up 40 cents. 30 cents. So let's just wait. Waiting for a new low to form. Let's see if we can break that $10. Break that $10. We're up 18 cents. It's kind of losing. Come on now. Come on, push up over that 10. You know you want to. A lot of sellers up there at that whole dollar resistance level, but it's too late. They're trapped. It's gonna push that 10 today, baby. Looking for a new low to form here. Pushing the 10 there. Shorts piling on. But can they break it? Question is, can 1 cent hurt you? Yes, it can. Or 1 share hurt you, I mean. Got 4 minutes left, and I'm gonna just sell it and then close the stream down. 4 minutes left on the stream though. Let's see if it can get up. Looks like it wants to go higher. It just needs to close this candle and actually go higher. Okay. Can we get some green here? Get some buying pressure here. Get back through that 75. Okay. So I'll make this my new low. 61. Where's my entry? 971. So 10 cent risk on 1 share. Giving a nice little dead cat bounce there. Got this little 960 level down here where I'll be moving my stop up to. Come on, get on out of there. You know you want to. Break that 10. There we go. Alright, I'll put it down here at the 960. Now we're back up 30 cents. Let's see if we can stick around for a little bit. Nice. Alright, looking like we want to get up here. Let's see, this last low was the 960. I'll be looking at this little $10 break. $10 break is where I'll be sitting for an out on that 1 share. I'm up 56 cents, which is amazing. Alright, I'm up 60 something cents right now on one share, which is insane. 70 cents. Moving it up to 10.25 for an out. 10.25. Moving it up each quarter dollar. Up 70 something cents right now. Let's see if we can push. Okay. The next one will be the 50. 10.50. Can we go higher or no? Looking for that 10.50. Okay, 10.50 is coming into play. I put that in there. 10.50, I'll be out. Up $1.08 on one share. $1.08 on one share. Insanity. So this one is definitely giving the moves today. Definitely working with my strategy. I'll be out right there. Got my a little bit of profit back. Nice trade right there. So again, this is another. It hasn't updated yet, I don't think, because there should be two of these here, $2 moves. It hasn't updated yet, but that was the last trade of the day. Right here on 10 o'clock. Right here coming into 10 o'clock. So that was a nice trade. I don't know why it takes so long to update, but whatever. Hold up, let me see. So you got, man, where is it? So let me go to my buys, see how many times I bought. I can't believe I made $1 on one share. That's insane. If I would have put 100 shares in there, I guarantee you it would have dropped $1. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 buys today. 9 buys. I was trying to stick with 3, but since I sized down, I mean, it's just no point of kind of, look at this thing going up to $11. I went ahead and took my profit. So, whatever. I could have waited, but waiting has not been proving profitable to me. Anyway, those are my trades for today. It is 10 o'clock. I'm going to shut down the stream. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the stream, and hopefully you enjoyed me going back green. I'm going to try to get back into the routine of trading smaller size, trading the setups that really work for me. And as you can see, the setups work. $1 per share is a lot. So anyway, be careful, be safe. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.